Here we go. We're on Cross Dyke Trail, 2 miles back to the center. We were about 2 miles into the cruise.
You can't collect anything on here.
Nope, that's right. You gotta leave it so everybody can look at it. Kind of fun for $1. Look, they even got a bench. You could bring your lunch. Bike rack. Ooh. Birds of the refuge. Nice little shelter. What? I suppose we could have stayed on the road. Let's do it. This is kind of loose. I don't want to call it terrible, but I could see it being a problem. You know it?
I'm not in one.
Yeah, me neither. I don't want shells, picking shells out of my legs. But we don't have them big tired bikes. These are street bikes. So we might skip the tortoise trip today. Or go over there with the truck, I guess.